Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here today.
Yes, it is great to see you, Michael. How are you?
I am okay, thank you. A little tired.
Oh, tired already? It's only the afternoon.
I know. I had a very busy morning. And you, Sarah? How are you?
I am great. I am very, very happy today.
You are always happy, Sarah. Why are you happy today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee, a big warm coffee.
Ah, that helps. I have tea. Green tea.
Green tea is very good too.
Yes. Well, Sarah, before we start our chat, we should ask everyone.
Oh, yes, good idea. Everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, and please, if you like our podcast, click the like button.
Yes, please do, and subscribe to Everyday Speak English. It helps us make more podcasts for you.
And share this with your friends. If your friend is learning English, maybe they like our chat too.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so Michael,
Yes, Sarah.
today we are just talking, right?
Yes, this episode is a real English conversation. We are just friends talking.
I love this. Okay, so Mr. Tired, why are you tired?
Oh no, it's work.
Ah, work, a hard day.
Yesterday was a very long day.
Oh, really? What happened at work?
We had a big meeting.
A meeting with your boss?
Yes, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team, everyone.
I do not like big meetings. They are long.
So long. This meeting was 3 hours.
3, wow.
Yes, 3 hours of talking.
Oh my goodness, talking about what?
The boss wants a new report, a very big report, all about numbers.
Oh, numbers. I don't like numbers.
Me too. I like words, but he wants this big report on Friday.
Friday? But today is Tuesday.
I know, Friday. It is very fast.
So you are very busy.
We are all very busy. The team is stressed.
Stressed. Oh no.
Yes, and there's a small problem, a problem with people.
Oh, people.
My colleagues. You know Michael?
Yes, I know Michael. He is tall. He is very funny.
Yes, that's Michael. Well, Michael and Sarah.
Sarah. I don't know Sarah.
Sarah is new. She is very nice, very quiet.
Oh, okay. Michael is loud and Sarah is quiet.
Yes, exactly. And they work together on this report.
Oh, no.
Yes, Michael, he talks a lot. And Sarah, she works hard. She is very focused.
I see. So Michael talks and Sarah works.
Yes, and yesterday Sarah was sad.
Sad? Why?
I think Michael said something.
Something not nice.
I don't know. I was not there, but Sarah looked very down. She said, Michael is difficult.
Oh, that is hard. Work problems are the worst.
Yes, I like Michael and I like Sarah. I want everyone to be happy.
Is your boss, Mr. Henderson, angry?
No, the boss is okay. He's just busy. He doesn't see the problem.
He only sees the big report.
Yes, exactly. He just says, I need the report on Friday.
So Michael and Sarah must work together.
Yes, and I sit between them.
Oh, Michael, that is difficult.
Today at lunch, I ate alone.
Alone? But you always eat lunch with Michael.
I know, but today, Michael ate at his desk and Sarah ate at her desk.
Oh, so the office was quiet.
Very quiet. Too quiet. I do not like it.
Work is much better with friends.
Yes, much, much better.
So what is your plan?
I have an idea, a good idea, I think. So I need your help.
My help? Okay.
Coffee.
Coffee? Yes.
Yes, I will buy coffee for Sarah.
Oh, that is very kind, Michael. And maybe coffee for Michael.
Yes, coffee for everyone.
I will go to the coffee shop, the coffee stop.
Oh, the one on the corner with the big green sign?
Yes, that one.
Michael, they have good cookies there.
Cookies.
Yes, big chocolate cookies.
Sarah, you are very smart. Buy coffee and cookies. People are always happy with cookies.
Okay, a coffee for Sarah and a cookie for Sarah and a coffee for Michael and a cookie for Michael.
Yes, perfect plan.
I will do that at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Good, before lunch.
I hope it works. I hope they talk.
I hope so too. You are a good friend, Michael.
Thank you. I just want a happy office.
And good luck with the numbers.
Oh yes, the report. So many numbers.
Is it math?
Yes, adding, subtracting, and looking at numbers. It's boring.
I am very bad at math.
Me too. I like talking.
Yes, talking is easy. Math is hard.
Okay. Enough work talk. It makes me tired again.
Okay,
So, Sarah, you said you were very happy.
I am.
Is it just the coffee?
The coffee is very good, but no, I have wonderful news.
Oh, good news. Tell me.
My best friend, Sarah.
Sarah? Yes, I know Sarah. She is very fun. She has long black hair.
Yes, that's her. Well, Sarah is getting married.
What? Married? Wow.
Yes, she told me last night. I am so excited.
That is fantastic news. Wow. When is the wedding?
Next month.
Next month. That is very soon.
I know, very fast, but they are so happy.
That is the important part. Who is she marrying?
His name is Michael. He is very nice. He is a doctor.
A doctor. Very good.
Yes, Sarah is so happy. The wedding, Michael, is in a garden.
A garden wedding. Oh, that is beautiful with flowers.
Yes, lots of flowers, trees. It will be very nice.
So you are excited.
I am, but I am also stressed.
Stressed? Why? It is a happy time.
I know, but Michael, I need a dress.
Ah, a dress for the wedding. Yes, a new dress, a beautiful dress.
Oh, that is fun. Shopping.
It is fun, but it is hard.
Hard? Why?
What color?
That is a good question.
I like blue. Do you like blue?
Blue is a very nice color. Yes, a blue dress.
It is perfect.
Oh, good idea, Michael. A blue dress.
Yes.
And shoes. What color shoes?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, this is hard.
Maybe white or silver?
Ooh, silver. Yes, silver flat shoes.
Very nice.
And a small silver bag.
Yes, look, you have a plan.
I have a plan. A long blue dress, silver flat shoes, and a silver bag.
Perfect. You will look beautiful.
Thank you, Michael. See, talking helps.
It does.
Where did Sarah meet Michael?
Oh, yes, good question.
It is a very funny story. They met at the supermarket.
No, really?
Yes, Sarah was buying apples, red apples, and Michael, he was buying oranges.
Apples and oranges?
Yes, and whisper, Sarah dropped the apples.
Oh, no.
Yes, apples everywhere, all over the floor, and Michael helped her. He got on the floor, he picked up the apples.
Aw, that is very nice, like a movie.
Yes, and he looked at her and said, "Your apples are very red."
Your apples are red?
Yes, Sarah laughed, and they had coffee.
Ah, coffee again. Coffee is important.
Yes, and now a wedding.
That is a great story. I like that.
Me too. So yes, I am very happy for her.
That is wonderful news.
I will show you a photo of the dress when I buy it.
Okay, please show me the photo. The long blue dress and the silver shoes.
And the silver shoes. So this week, you have a big, boring report.
Yes, with Michael, Sarah, and cookies.
And I have a big, fun wedding.
Yes, a busy week for us.
What will you do Friday night after the report?
Friday night, I will go home, I will take off my work clothes.
Yes, and put on pajamas.
Yes, my comfortable blue pajamas.
Blue pajamas.
Yes, and I will sit on my sofa, my big red sofa.
Sounds good.
And I will order pizza.
Ooh, pizza. What kind of pizza?
I like pepperoni, simple.
Pepperoni is very good. I like cheese pizza. Just cheese. Lots and lots of cheese.
Okay, and sleep.
Yes, you need sleep.
I will watch a funny movie, a comedy. I need to laugh after this week.
Yes, you do. That sounds like a perfect Friday.
What about you, after shopping on Saturday?
Saturday night, Sarah and we will have dinner.
Oh, nice. To talk about the wedding?
Yes, talk about the wedding, Michael, and my new dress.
Where will you eat?
We like the small Italian restaurant, Luigi's.
Luigi's. Oh, I love their pasta.
Me too. They have the best pasta.
Okay, so pizza for me, pasta for you.
We like Italian food.
Yes, we do.
Well, that was a good weekend.
Yes. Wow, Sarah, look at the time.
Oh, yes, time flies when we talk.
Yes, it does.
It was so nice to talk with you, Michael. I feel better, not so tired.
Oh, good. Me too. I liked our chat.
And thank you everyone for listening.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much. That is all the time we have for today. We hope you liked our conversation. It was a real chat.
Yes, please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Speak English and click the like button if you had fun today, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Ooh, a question. What is it, Michael?
In the comments below, tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Ooh, nice. Or, what will you do this weekend?
Yes, tell us about your day or your week.
We love reading your comments in English.
Yes, we do. Great. Well, see you next time, Saha.
Bye, Michael. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.